Hey tribe, Dawna here. So let's talk about some ways to get your creativity back, to get your mojo back, or pull yourself back into balance so that you can do the things that you want to do and you can be creative and be inspired. Honestly, today, absolutely no inspiration for what I should record for this week's video. And hilariously funny, this is supposed to be our flow week, so we're talking about going with the flow. So I decided not to push things, not to push it, to get a video out, and to just allow things to happen in whatever way that was going to happen. So, as you can see behind me, I have my workspace that I'm usually working on. So I had no inspiration, so I came down and cleaned up my workspace. So instead of doing nothing and scrolling on Facebook and YouTube like I had been doing, I decided to get off of my butt and actually do something. So it didn't matter to me, and it shouldn't matter to you what it is that you do. But to me, cleaning always sparks that inspiration to do something. So I cleaned off my workspace over here, little sneak peek of what's coming in a couple minutes, and I cleaned off the whole entire top of my altar, and I reset it, and I went and got my Freya and said, Freya, you need to come with me into my workspace. As you can see, Freya is now down in my workspace. We are painting up in the house, and so I had this extra curtain, so now I can make sure that I'm keeping extra light off of all of the essential oils, and now I can do videos right here and you guys don't have all these bottles in your face. And Freya's so happy. So, I brought down a few offerings and some peacock feathers. I even figured out how to hang that bandana up there really creatively on that wall. So, I think she's happy. But, and we just played some music and we had some fun and we got all kinds of work done. So, I also pulled out all kinds of work. So, all of these jars are herbal tinctures that need to get strained and or I need to start the new batches for. So I will be doing that this week. And I have everything to show you what we're going to be doing for a new bliss tea. I am creating a new tea line. More inspiration from my children and lots of different things that hang up in the shop. Little bits of inspo are everywhere. I'm creating a new tea line with a bunch of the teas to try to make tea time ritual time to help out a bunch of you. It's been highly requested, so for all the different themes that we have for the other products like the sprays and things in the shop, I am going to be creating teas to go along with those so that you can create a ritual. So there'll be a ritual bath salt, an incense, an anointing oil or an oil for all of those things, and a tea. So the things that you guys got a sneak peek at are the bliss tea. My idea that I was inspired by is rose, jasmine, hibiscus, and a little damiana. So we're gonna see how this tastes and go through that. I'm actually going to record myself making it in a couple minutes, and I'll probably put little blips up as shorts to tease you guys for the new product launch, and we're going to go from there. So when you don't feel creative, when you don't feel inspired to do something, just do anything. And like I said, for me, that was cleaning and lining up all the stuff that I had to do. But it inspired me to actually want to make this new tea, and I'm really, really excited about that. And then I was like, hey, that's what I should make my video about. So it inspired me to do that too. So when you get stuck, when you're in doubt, act like the Eight of Swords. When you're stuck in the middle and you can't decide which path to go, just rip off the blindfold and step down a path. Doesn't matter what you do, just do something. Because once you start moving, then you'll start heading in the right direction. So, many blessings to all of you. And I know that you need a little more inspiration on that get moving and get grounded. So you guys should go watch that video right over here to get even more inspiration about how to get yourself back in balance. Many blessings, and we'll see you real soon. Go check that out.